Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 34. In the last video we saw else statement, we saw nested else statement. In this video we are going to discuss about switch statement. So let's first understand what is a switch statement. A switch statement check equality against list of value. Each value is called a case and the variable being switched on is check for each case. Inside a switch we pass expression. If that expression match with any case, then execute that case statement. You can see in this diagram, in this flow chart, here we simply define first we define a switch statement. In a site switch we simply pass one expression and already we define some cases. In each case we define one expression, okay? And when we call this switch, when we pass some expression inside this switch, that expression first match with case 1. If that valid, then execute that statement and control come outside this switch case statement. If first case is not valid, then check second case. If second is not valid, then check third case. If third is not valid, then we have a finally default. If no case valid, then we have a default, and then execute inside a default statement and control come outside this switch case statement. Okay, let's open Eclipse and perform practical. I'll simply open Eclipse and I'll create one new class. Okay, part 34. I'll simply define here one main method. Okay, let's define here main method. Inside main method I'll declare here one string variable, string, and I'll simply give language equal to Java. Okay, language equal to Java. Here I'll simply define a switch statement. I'll simply type here switch case statement, and Eclipse provide this structure. Okay, let's click here. Eclipse provide this structure for us. Okay, we can simply pass here in a switch, we simply pass this language variable. Okay, and in a case here we simply define first Java. Okay, Java. If this language is a Java, then execute, then print here system.out.println I like Java language. I'll simply type here I like Java language. Okay, then I'll simply copy this and I'll paste few more time. Okay, we have a Java, then we have a C++, then we have a PHP. Okay, let's write here PHP. I'll simply change here Java to C++ and here Java to PHP. You can see here we simply define a 3 case. If we provide here Java, then execute this case. If we provide here C++, then execute this second case. If we provide here PHP, then execute this case, this third case. But if we provide here any random value that not match in any case, then we have a default. I'll simply write here system.out.println 𝑠𝑦_SO, and I'll simply write here I like testing. Okay, let's save this and I'll simply run this. Here you can see we got I like Java language output. You can see here we pass expression. Okay, inside a switch we pass expression and that expression match with case statement. Okay, here we write a 3 case statement and 1 default statement. Okay, I'll simply pass here any random value. Okay, you can see Java FG. Okay, let's run this. You can see I like testing because this expression not match with any case. If I pass here C++, I'll simply pass here C++, save and run. You can see here we got I like C++ language. Basically switch case statement used for a selection. Here we provide a list of selection and here we provide an expression. If that expression match with any case, then execute that statement. Only switch statement can use for a selection, list of selection. If you have a list of statement and I want to select one of those statement using an expression, then we use a switch case statement. Okay, now we understand how and where we use switch case statement. For this video, that's it. We will see next topic in a next video.